This How to 1 Minute will show you how to enable two-factor authentication for cPanel. To protect your cPanel, you can turn on two-factor authentication. Just follow this easy step-by-step guide to do it. Log into your cPanel and click on this search toolbox and type here 2, and here you will get two-factor authentication. So click on it. Now click on Set up two-factor authentication. And in first step, you have to download and install an Authenticator app on your Android or iOS device. To do that, let's jump into phone. Once you are in your phone, open App Store or Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. Install this app and launch it. Now tap on this plus icon and select Scan a QR code. Then scan this QR code. Then you'll get here a security code. In second step, you have to enter here the 6-digit security code and click on Configure two-factor authentication. And as you can see, I've successfully turned on two-factor authentication for my cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.